Right, so top in place, bottom in place, leaving the cover off. And as I say, this is all too stiff for that to operate properly. As you can see, if I push it, it stays in position. So do need to reprint them. But I am going to put the power on and see what happens. Power on. Bind. We had some movement. I'm being very gentle. We have movement. Well, it's dark outside, so we can't go out and try it. Do we get daring enough to see if we can just get off the ground? Oh, it's still got that bit where it's doing its own thing. I have to hold the down. so tempting to try a bit harder, but I want to do that outdoors. Looks like we didn't have enough power to go up. That could be there's not enough pitch on those blades. Yeah. That was full power, but I think we may be down on power now on the battery. Well, we've seen it outdoors anyway. Well, that was a few seconds out in the garden in the dark. We did manage to rub the ground with the rotor blades, got them muddy, and they haven't shattered immediately, which is what I actually expected them to do. I thought they'd break straight away. They are too stiff in there. I need to change the clearances. And this bit is much too stiff. But if we forget that for a minute, it didn't actually take off. It didn't have enough power. Now that's either because I haven't got enough pitch on these blades, or it's just not got enough power. I'm recharging it at the moment. It was actually showing 3.9 volts when I plugged it onto the charger, so they weren't flat by any means, but they certainly weren't the battery. It certainly wasn't fully charged, so it might do better when it's fresh, 4.2 volts or whatever. I might give it another try, but not tonight. And I do need to do some reprinting. We'll see. Another episode sometime. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.